But that's what I really like about like the konbinis and stuff too. It's like they have their own recognizable theme song or like little chimes when you enter. Okay. I'm gonna imitate a chime. You guys tell me which konbini it is. It was like do 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 do. Okay, which konbini is that? See, you guys know it's Family Ma. No, 7-Eleven is this. 7-Eleven is do 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 do. Wait, I should know Lawson too. Where's Lawson? Lawson had a chime. Konbini otaku Ina. Konbina. The Family Mart just blasts K-pop songs. It depends. Like every time someone enters, Family Mart goes do 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 do. But yeah, there's so many different konbini branches too. I just wonder there's just so many konbinis. Yeah. But then I think Family Mart one is like really iconic. You just can't forget it. Put it.